trying a different screen recording format to see if it helps the resolution. Also, trying my mic farther away. Let's get going. So, just going to touch on RLX. It's a technology company that's very tied to China. I've been seeing it pop up on unusual options activity like crazy, nonstop. And I, to be honest, really didn't pay attention to it because, it's a $2 stock and it's, just not something that's really on my radar screen until now. So I was curious why there's been so much volume and why it keeps popping up on unusual call volume. And mind you, it's, what is it, 9:55 a.m. right now, and it's already traded nearly 27,000 contracts. And when you go to the put side, nothing, barely anything. So this is all directional. This is not people doing, this is not traders unsure of a direction. They're heavily sure. So I went and looked at the actual options chain. I looked all through it. I'm not going to do it again. But January 20th, 2023 is where they're going. And it looks like they're spreading their volume out because it was 27. So there's 6 there, 6 there, 5 there. Nothing, a little bit even sooner. So I think they're expecting a short-term pop and then continuation into the beginning of the year. And then there's not much in April. So, but you can see all this open interest right here, all this volume right here. Good deltas like that. That's like, this is what the delta I'd probably go for. I mean, I usually shoot for 0.5, but if you're very not uncertain, then why not? So when you look at the chart, not Vail, you look at the chart, it is just ugly as can be. Just a free fall from its inception or when it started trading publicly or whatever. I'm thinking funds. I spent so many years in the industry doing mutual funds and stuff like that. So January 21, just free fall down. If you look at the fixed, I'm just going to look so I don't say it wrong. Fixed range volume profile, you can kind of see this is the level they're shooting at. Because if you look at the strikes here, they're shooting for the 3.5. So, obviously you probably want to go a little bit above it ideally. So it looks like they're shooting for this volume ledge right here. Point of control or whatever. The other thing I noticed besides this nice little U-turn is that if you look a little bit closer, I'll just zoom. If you look a little bit closer here, you can see that the 50-day is curving hard up. 20-day accelerating. 200-day flattening. 100-day is already flat, but it looks like it's a change in trend. And even, let's see, there's not enough data for the weekly, to be honest. It's too short. But, yeah, so let's do one final thing before I finish up. Let's look at the trade tape and let's just do a quick scan. And the scan by size, so I usually just do 500, a block. Well, not really a block, but block is 10,000, but a decent chunk. 5 lots, let's see. So this is what I like to see here. Above ask, the same strike, the same expiration, about 36K in premium. One thing I was going to say, let's go back to the options chain here. This roughly just based on this current price. I don't know what they got in it to be honest. But just right now that's roughly 1.3 million in premium. Just the 30. I'm just calculating by the 36 and timesing by 37 ish. It's about 1.3 million in premium laid out just in that strike. And then as you can see, there's more laid out elsewhere and even in this current month. So let's see what happens. Should be interesting. I'm thinking of following suit, but China can be iffy with investing, and their information is not always accurate, as we all know. All right, everybody have a great trading day. Take care. Have a good day. Bye-bye.